everybody, I'm Sarah and you're watching Sarah's Sweets. Hey everybody, welcome back to Sarah's Sweets. Today I wanted to share with you how to make a deep dish butter pie crust recipe. This pie crust is not only flaky, but it complements your pie very well. Let's get started. Add 1.5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now you're going to whisk until combined. Now we're going to add 1/2 cup of butter. And we're going to cut the butter inside of the flour, that way it can become a crumbly texture. Butter has made the flour very crumbly. We have to combine it using water. So you're going to start by adding 1 tablespoon of water, and then you're going to use a fork to spread that water throughout the rest of the mixture. After you've added about 4 tablespoons of water, you should check it by taking a section and putting it together to see if it stays. Now this part is not ready, that's why we have to add at least 1 to 2 more tablespoons of water. So you don't want to use too much water, otherwise your dough will become very sticky and hard to work with. So if your dough is too sticky, you might want to add just a little bit more flour. It depends on how much water you put. If you put a lot of water and it's very sticky, then you want to add a lot more flour. But if you put a very little amount of water and you just need to add a little more flour, then take a pinch of it and that should be good. I'm going to show you a really cool trick. Here I have 2 pieces of plastic wrap that are stuck together. And what you're going to do is you're going to take your dough, you're going to put it on, and then you're going to take plastic wrap and you're going to cover it. That way you can avoid getting your area dirty and you can avoid getting this dirty. So you're going to start in the middle, you're going to roll it out, and then you're going to slowly take it there, and you're going to pull outwards. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the edges of the plastic wrap and you're going to fold it underneath, because we are now going to put this in the fridge for about an hour. Here we go. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more of your favorite baking videos. Don't forget to click that notification bell to receive more updates on my YouTube channel. And don't forget to enjoy your sweets from Sarah's Sweets.